Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we've got you another very basic cocktail. Super simple to make at home, perfect for your barbecues and outdoor parties. We have got the Bay of Passion. That passion fruit liqueur, working with the pineapple juice, gives a real exotic flavor. Cranberry juice cutting through all the sweetness, and just with the Absolut Vodka there to the flavors of everything, because as I've said before, vodka is a flavor transfer. It will make things taste more than what they are. Don't forget, if you like all our drinks, recipes and videos, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We want to get more and more subscribers. It's going to really help the channel. And if you like exotic drinks, don't forget, check out our exotic drink playlist. This is a build drink. We're going to build directly into the glass. We want to start with the heroine, the lady we like to call Absolut Vodka. We're going to go in with 45 ml per drink. We're then going to pull up my sleeve, and we're going to go with, is it 45 ml? Have I got it wrong? No, it is 45 ml. It is 45 ml. No, this isn't cranberry juice, baby. This is passion fruit liqueur, natural color of passion fruits. So next up, we're gonna add some passion fruit liqueur. We're gonna need 10 mils per drink. There's an array of different brands and different styles of passion fruit liqueur. Pick the one you like. Next up, we're gonna add the first juice, which is 45 cranberry juice. That's going straight in. And then next, we've got to add our final juice. We're gonna do pineapple, we're gonna do pineapple. You know how much I like to make my juice fluffy. So we're gonna run this through the centrifuge as well. Take off this. You can always use that as garnish. In fact, we're gonna use this as a garnish in here. And then let's start to slice this pineapple up. Get as much of the skin off as possible, but don't worry about it too much. You want to maintain as much fruit as you can. And then we're gonna go bam, 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 bam. Take out the core. You're not gonna get much juice from this. Is a whole pineapple the right amount of juice? It's way too much juice, but if you go through the process of juicing pineapple juice, juice will load, then you've got some there for the morning, or if you want any more drinks. So we're just gonna dice this, slice this, and get it in our centrifuge. Boom, 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 boom. Let's push it down. I know that's gonna be banging juice. So next up, all we're gonna do is ice it, juice it, garnish it. I'm Rico. Ice it, juice it, garnish it, that's it. Ooh. Now, peace. So, get some good cubed ice. Straight in. Oh no. What the hell was that? Let's just put one cube in. We've got our lovely, super fluffy, aerated pineapple juice, and that's gonna go right on top. Actually, one whole pineapple was just enough for 2 big bruises. Then get 2 of the nicest pineapple leaves you've got, cut the end off, make it nice and small, stick them directly in. You could also use a nice little lime wheel if possible, but we've juiced some fresh pineapples. We're gonna use the leaf, it's gonna be nice. And there you have it, guys, the Bay of Passion. Let's give it a try. That sip just tastes like pineapple juice. One sec. Pineapple leaves are also used to stir cocktails. Okay. Super nice. Perfect drink. If you like those exotic flavors and you want to chill in the summer and think about being on the beach, it's the holiday drink without going to holidays. Try it at home, trust me. I don't even know what to say when I look at you sometimes. I try and be funny, and then when I look at you, I'm like, it's not funny. It's a nice eye patch though. One-eyed Willie. This has been the Bay of Passion. I have been Rico, and this has been Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm out of here, peace.